How to withdraw money from Trust Wallet to bank account. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to easily do that. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Trust Wallet, see how much amount you want to withdraw to your bank. Once you've set it up, then what you're going to have to do next is use another platform, something like Coinbase, to use it to withdraw your amount. You can use other platforms like as well, but Coinbase is going to be a bit easier. So open up your Coinbase. Then you'll have something called transfer. Just tap on the transfer button at the bottom and then tap on deposit cash, or tap on receive crypto first and choose Ethereum for now, or you could use any other network as well, but you have to be careful that you choose the same network. So tap on receive Ethereum, copy your address, go back to your Trust Wallet and tap on send. Once you do that, select Ethereum, make sure it's on the same network. Now paste the address there and enter the amount. If you want to do your maximum amount, you can do that as well. Then tap on next, and then from there it will show you a preview of your transaction. Now just tap on confirm. Then your amount should be transferred to your Coinbase. Now once you come back to Coinbase, tap on buy and sell. And once you're here, just tap on sell crypto for cash. Then select whatever you have on your bank. For example, Ethereum, £15 worth of Ethereum is here. So select that, enter the amount that you want to enter or convert. You can select max if you want, and then tap on sell now. Once you've sold your Ethereum, you can go to transactions and then click on withdraw cash. Then you can just select any bank account that's connected to your account. And then once you've selected it, enter the amount that you want to withdraw, tap on preview. And once it shows you the preview, you can just tap on withdraw cash now and you'll be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one.